You've definitely heard of drone cameras, but you've never seen one pop out from inside a phone. Well, Samsung is about to turn this imagination of ours into reality. According to leaks, this phone is set to launch globally later this year. Inside this phone, there's a mini 200-megapixel drone camera tucked into the top section, which can be controlled and accessed from a distance using the phone itself. And that's not all, it's also packed with Qualcomm's most powerful processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset. So, if you're as excited as we are about this futuristic smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because today we're diving deep into all its features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of Samsung's flying drone camera phone. Display. This next-gen Samsung phone is rumored to feature a massive 6.95-inch, Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED display, with a pixel density of 500 ppi. Plus, it's expected to come with a 144 Hz refresh rate, an in-display fingerprint sensor, Gorilla Glass Armor Plus protection, and an IP68 rating for extreme durability. Camera setup. The star of the show. The 200-megapixel wide-angle drone camera, that actually flies out of the phone. Yes, you'll be able to control it mid-air to capture photos and videos from unique angles. And on the back, there's a triple camera setup featuring a 108-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel secondary lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. Battery and charging. Powering this beast is an 8000 mAh battery, with 120-watt fast wired charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and 25-watt reverse charging support, all through a Type-C Gen 2 port. Processor and OS. Under the hood, it's expected to run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, making it an absolute powerhouse. And for software, Android 16 straight out of the box. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Rumors suggest it could be priced around $2,100. And as for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but leaks hint at a late 2025 release.